Hey there! Today's video tackles a common problem encountered by our users when dealing with data manipulation. In this case, we have a dataset with multiple rows, each containing information about genomic features like exon starts and ends. The goal is to pair these elements from two columns and create a new data frame with the paired values. Now, let's dive into the solution. We can efficiently achieve this using the tidyr and dplyr packages in R. By selecting the relevant columns, CHR, exon starts, exon ends, from the original data frame, and then applying the separate _longer_delim function, we can split the values in exon starts and exon ends columns by the delimiter comma and create the desired output. This approach simplifies the process and ensures a structured format for the resulting data frame. Expanding on the previous step, the output data frame will display the paired values for each row, corresponding to the exon starts and exon ends. The result will contain the chromosome information, CHR, individual exon star coordinates, and their corresponding exon end coordinates. This organized format makes it easier to analyze the genomic data and extract valuable insights from the paired elements. However, it's essential to note a potential challenge when the number of items in each column varies. In such cases, errors may occur during the data manipulation process, necessitating attention to maintain consistency in the data structure. Ensuring uniformity in the paired values is crucial to avoid runtime errors and ensure the smooth operation of the function. In conclusion, by following the step-by-step approach outlined, you can efficiently pair exon start and end coordinates from genomic data and create a structured output for further analysis. Remember, data manipulation in R can be simplified with the right tools and techniques. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Keep coding and exploring new possibilities.